Squirrels are an intriguing and diverse group of rodents belonging to the family Sciuridae. They can be found in nearly every region of the world, inhabiting dense forests, expansive grasslands, urban parks, and gardens. Celebrated for their energy and agility, squirrels have adapted remarkably to various environments and exhibit behaviors that make them some of the most captivating animals in the natural world. Their small to medium size, bushy tails, and sharp claws are iconic features, making them easy to recognize and widely admired. Squirrels are divided into three main categories: tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels. Each category has distinct physical traits, behaviors, and habitats. Tree squirrels, such as the eastern gray squirrel and the red squirrel, are among the most recognizable. These squirrels are exceptional climbers, spending the majority of their lives in trees. With their powerful hind legs and sharp claws, they navigate branches and tree trunks with incredible precision. Tree squirrels are solitary creatures that are mostly active during the daytime. Their diet mainly consists of nuts, seeds, fruits, and sometimes small insects. One unique behavior of tree squirrels is their tendency to store food for later use by burying it. This practice often leads to the unintentional planting of trees when forgotten caches germinate, significantly contributing to forest regeneration. Ground squirrels, in contrast, are more terrestrial, with species like the Richardson's ground squirrel and the well-known prairie dog among their ranks. Ground squirrels create intricate burrow systems in open fields or grasslands, often forming large, complex colonies. These colonies facilitate frequent social interactions and cooperative living. Ground squirrels are especially known for their ability to alert one another to predators using vocalizations and other signals. Their diets are diverse, including grasses, seeds, roots, and insects. Some species of ground squirrels hibernate during colder months, relying on stored fat reserves to survive harsh winter conditions. This hibernation behavior is a remarkable adaptation that enables them to endure periods of extreme cold and food scarcity. Errors. Ground squirrels' ability to hibernate is a remarkable adaptation, allowing them to endure long periods of cold and food scarcity. During this time, their metabolic rate decreases significantly, conserving energy until conditions improve. The social nature of ground squirrels often involves sophisticated communication, using vocalizations and body signals to warn their colonies of potential dangers, ensuring their collective safety. Flying squirrels, distinct from their ground and tree counterparts, possess an extraordinary adaptation that enables them to glide between trees. With their patagium, a skin membrane stretching between their limbs, flying squirrels can navigate through the air, covering distances of up to 150 feet. This adaptation not only aids in escaping predators, but also allows them to forage in hard-to-reach areas. These nocturnal animals, such as the northern flying squirrel and the Japanese dwarf flying squirrel, have large, sensitive eyes adapted to low light, making them efficient hunters and gatherers at night. Their diets often include nuts, seeds, fruits, fungi, and tree sap, highlighting their versatility and adaptability. Despite their differences, all squirrels share certain characteristics that make them successful in their environments. Their sharp incisors, which grow continuously, allow them to gnaw on hard nuts and seeds effectively. Their bushy tails, apart from being a balancing tool, also serve as a communication aid and provide warmth during colder weather. Squirrels exhibit excellent memory skills, particularly tree squirrels, which rely on their ability to locate buried food stores. However, some forgotten caches contribute to the growth of new plants, making squirrels accidental foresters. Squirrels are also incredibly adaptable to urban environments. Tree squirrels, for instance, are often seen in city parks and backyards, where they navigate fences, buildings, and artificial structures with the same agility they exhibit in trees. Their intelligence and problem-solving abilities are evident in how they overcome obstacles, such as bird feeders or food storage containers. This adaptability has allowed squirrels to thrive alongside humans, making them a familiar and beloved presence in many communities. The social structures of squirrels vary greatly depending on the species. Ground squirrels are among the most social, often forming large colonies where cooperative behaviors are essential for survival. Tree squirrels, in contrast, are more solitary, with interactions typically limited to mating and rearing young. Flying squirrels may gather in small groups during colder months for warmth, but they are largely independent creatures. These behavioral variations highlight the incredible diversity within the squirrel family. Reproduction among squirrels is generally similar across species. Most breed once or twice a year, depending on environmental conditions and food availability. Female squirrels typically give birth to litters ranging from 2 to 8 offspring. The young are born blind and hairless, relying entirely on their mother for nourishment and protection.